Hello and welcome back to my channel. The FMWC DACH team has put out a new practice case this year, a very different style. This one is a speed challenge and it's called mining. Let me read the rules here. The speed challenge is different than a regular case, but it might be more exciting to tackle. Your goal is to answer a total of 12 questions to finish the case. The questions will be increasing in difficulty as you work. You will see only one question at a time and you can't skip the sequence. You can use all the cells below row 31 for your calculations. Everything above is protected. No prepared lambdas, no prepared macros, no OA robots, and no AI. This is an interesting style. So this kind of reminds me of the Excel Ninja style that we typically see from the Global Excel Summit. And so I'm going to tackle this case a little bit differently. What you're going to see in this video is my first time seeing the case. I've not seen the case file before. I don't know what's inside. I've not practiced it. I want this to be my honest first look, first take, and then you can compare my results with others that might upload this video. This case is available for free from MEWC DACH or Excel Esports DACH. You just need to sign up for their newsletter, and I believe they will send you a copy of this case that you can try on your own. Now, unlike the Excel Ninja cases, I don't see a time limit for this one. So I guess it's just going to be, how much time is it going to finally take? Let me enter my name, Breaking Excel. My country, YouTube, and let's see what my final result will be. Follow along with me, and here we go. All right, you are presented with one. Okay, hexadecimal notation, interesting. TW, there's no W next. Okay. Here goes answer 12 questions for the case. The question will be all the rows below 31. Okay, all down here. What is the content of cell B2? That is that. Is that B2 you're looking for? Yep. What metal is in cell B2? Is that not it? Oh, you got to X lookup it. Okay. X lookup that in this cell. Return this name. How many units are in cell B2? Okay, so hex to dec mid this. Yeah, that's right. Right? 14. That's not coming up with the answer. Oh, they just want the hex. Okay, then I don't need to do this. Right? No? Oh, because I'm in the wrong cell. That cell. And now they probably want. Oh, what? Okay, so let's do right to 2. Probably some of these have different sizes. That's probably it. Oh, okay. Hex to dec that. There we go. What is the metal value of cell B2? Okay, so X lookup. Whoa, no, I broke it. Don't break. I can't undo. Okay. What was the formula I had? What was the question here before? I think it was X lookup left of this from here, returning here. And I gotta close this here. Okay. What is the metal value? Okay, so we're gonna X lookup this in the metal, return the value. You don't like that. Why? Why? Is that not it? Did I not do that? Oh. Multiply by that. There we go. How many units are there total in the mine? Right. Okay, so sum hex to dec. Right. All of this 2 characters. What is the total metal value of column B? Sum hex to dec right in column B2. No? Total metal oh my goodness. Okay, total metal value. Right. Okay, so X lookup left of everything in B. There in this table. Return this table. Times hex to dec right all of these to 2 decimal places. Okay, and then we're going to sum all of those together. Too many functions. There's got to be a close there. All right, good. What is the highest metal value answer with the relative cell reference? All right, let's go over here. My computer is not responding quickly. I mean, too many. Oh, I gotta do. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to call this, and then call the columns and the rows. Okay, so CS47. Yes. Which row has the highest metal value? Okay. So at sort by this by by row sum this by row sum in negative order. 37. Which column has the highest metal value? Okay, so at sort by call sum negative order T. Okay. What is the average metal value in each cell? Are we rounding this? I hope not. Gonna average that. Which metal occurs most often in the mine? Okay, so let V be left of all of these. And then we're going to at group by VV count A from largest to smallest. I always forget to close my left statements. And that's, oh, pyroflag. That's not a good sign because that's not one of the metals. It's arsenic. What if I, oh, that was arsenic. Nope, still not it. Okay, all right. Answer with the name. Okay, so let's just put arsenic in here. Still not it. All right, let me try this. There's no other symbol that looks like that, is there? There is not. So let me do this again. Let V equals let's do something a little bit different. Let's do that, and the number of characters is len of that minus 2, just in case any of these are multi-width. At group by VV count A negative 2, and I'm going to X lookup that in the symbol return the name. I still get arsenic. It is still, oh, I see. Okay, no, I know what it is. I know what it is. Because the right numbers are the quantities. So, all right, let's do this. Let's do this. I can delete those now. And we're going to do left of all of these. So for over here, group by row fields is going to be to call of these symbols. Values is going to be to call of these amounts. We're we're going to do sum. There you go. This is KT34. X lookup KT34 and the symbol return the name. Still not it? Because that's value. Oh. These are values, not counts. Got it. Okay. Then let's do hex to deck right of all of these. Nope. Go to the top. Go to the top. Where are you going? Not that top. 2. There we go. Now, group by, to call, the symbols, the counts, sum, -2. Okay, this is OQ34. Now I'm going to use this in my formula. There we go, aluminum. All right, finally, assume that you minus cell up to 8 adjacent cells. Which cell should you choose to get the maximum metal value? Answer with the relative cell reference. Okay, that one's actually not going to be too hard. Let me copy and paste all these because I'm going to mess up these formulas. Actually, you know what I could do? I could do something like this. Actually, no, I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to copy paste values so I can keep the size, and then here I'm going to do sum of these 9 cells there, paste that all the way across. There we go. Do I still have the addresses? I don't have the addresses, but over here what I can do is to call the addresses. Let's get the addresses. Come on, Excel, go faster. Now, there we go. Then we're going to call this range. Did that to call it? I think it should. Oh, because it's not, okay, that's not an array. So I need to highlight the whole thing. There we go. Add sort by the addresses. I get AZ31. Let's see if that is the answer for this last one. AZ31? Yes, it is. Congratulations, you have finished the case. Feel free to share your result on social media or in the WhatsApp community. What are my results? What does this graph mean? I don't know what that graph means. But I got 11 minutes, 24 seconds. So there we go. There's my solve of the case. I don't know what this graph means. I'm going to have to check on that. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one.
It's the Excel